Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to install a xampp on local server. I am going to install it in my Windows laptop. Before selecting, you need to check whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I am going to choose 64-bit. You just need to put download xampp for Windows like that. First URL, you need to choose first URL. So click on it. It will be xampp will be available for all the Windows. I mean older version also. Not only Windows, Linux, Mac, everything it will be available. One second. Yeah, mine is Windows 8. So yeah, you can see different OS here. I'm going to choose Windows and latest version of PHP also. Now it's downloading. It will take some time. I already have downloaded, so I'm going to install it by double clicking it will install. Now it will open the install pop-up. Let's see. Wait. Let me click it again. Yeah, it's opening. Vietnam. UAC country. Okay. Click OK. Okay. Next. Next. Yeah, we need to choose which folder we want to install the xampp. You can use any local disk. D or C. I'm choosing D. In that I'm creating one empty folder. I'm just naming it as XAMPP. Okay. Yeah. Click next. Yeah. It will start installing the. Yeah, it started, but it will take time to. It will take lot of time to finish it off those things. UAC control we clicked that one. That doesn't matter. If you are enabling it also fine. If you are disabling that also fine. If you are enabling uh, it will be risky for our system. That's why we are all by default setting is it's a disabled one. No need to bother about those things. It will work fine if it is disabling also. It will take a lot of time to install the XAMPP because it needs to download all the libraries, everything need to connect. That's why. After installing, you may face one more error like port number will be same. When it will come means if you are using Skype, that Skype port number and we need MySQL here. If you need MySQL means that time you will start MySQL. After installing I will show you. MySQL port number and Skype port number will be same, so it will conflict. For that you can change the port number of either MySQL or Skype if you know the coding. Otherwise, if you don't want Skype means you just delete it off Otherwise in next video I will put how to change the port number of MySQL if it is conflicting. In case if there is a confliction, we need to however we need to change the port number, and in next video I will show how to change the port number of MySQL in the coding. Yeah, half of the installation is completed, still half is pending. Let's wait. Yeah, you can ask why we need XAMPP server. HTML files means we can run it in browser itself. .html files, if you right click open with means it will show the button all the browser you have. It will run in the web browser. But PHP file we can't. For that, if you are having XAMPP means you can run it through XAMPP server. For the PHP file, working the projects in local means without net it will work, so it's helpful for us. That's why we are using XAMPP server. I think 75% is done in the installing stage, so still more 25%. This is a very basic step of localhost or whatever XAMPP, I mean PHP learning means you need to definitely you need to have a XAMPP for that, because we need to run the code, we need to execute the code, whether it is success or a failure we need to know, right? For that we need not only XAMPP, you can also install some other things like WAMP, that kind also available, but I'm using XAMPP, that's why I'm creating this video. Still I think we are going to finish installation, is going to finish it off. uh, 90% completed, only 10% is there. If you are facing any error while installing the XAMPP, please comment it. I will check and I will reply for the comment. Otherwise, if you need video also, I will create the video for that. Almost complete, 97% completed, only 3% is remaining. If once it is finished, that's it. It will launch the application. We can start working on it. That's it. Yeah, I think it's going to finish. It's done. Yeah, it is done. Yeah, click it. Click finish. Yeah, it will ask which language. I'm choosing English only. So application is launched. You can start Apache and MySQL if you need. both it is mandatory to start the application. Thank you for watching the video.